Do you know from childhood why we are asked to close the door of the fridge? What exactly happens if we don't close the fridge properly? Things inside the fridge will start getting warm and result in spoilage. We use refrigerators to keep the foods at a cool temperature, as a cool temperature is good to keep the food items fresh for a long time and preserve them. This helps us to prevent any kind of wastage and spoilage. If you leave your refrigerator door open for a long time, the temperature inside your fridge will start increasing as all the cooling will be released in thin air, and this will turn the food warm. The moist formation takes place inside the fridge. When you leave the refrigerator door open and unattended, then the air which is flowing inside the refrigerator will automatically mix with the cool breeze inside your refrigerator. Naturally, the warm air mixing with the cool one results in the formation of moisture. This will result in the formation of moisture in every part of the fridge, and food items will turn wet. So cooling again will take longer. After you return to your fridge and notice the door open and finally close it, the fridge tries to return to its normal temperature. However, this will take longer than usual due to the coils that are frozen, and the defrosting process will start before the fridge comes back to its normal temperature. It might take as long as 24 hours to get cool again. Compressor might fail is another cause of keeping the door of the fridge open. There are certain possibilities where you leave the refrigerator door open for a long time unattended, and after that there is a failure of the compressor. This happens because the compressor keeps working continuously to cool the fridge, as the sensors cannot detect the right temperature, and this might lead to compressor failure. This can happen rarely, and you don't have to worry about it much if you have a good quality modern refrigerator. Nothing will happen to your refrigerator. If you leave the fridge door open for long and worry that damage can take place, then you do not have to overthink, as nothing will happen to your refrigerator. It will automatically start working normally once closed again. The type of food and the model of your refrigerator will play an important role in how long can the refrigerator be open. Some refrigerators can keep food cooler longer than other ones. The average time a refrigerator door can be left open without spoilage is 60 to 240 minutes.